An Iowa college student was arrested for driving under the influence, and now he's suing the officers for arresting him. Let's watch this body cam video and break it all down here. By the way, I'm Colton Richardson, a personal injury attorney and former prosecutor. I prosecuted crimes just like this one, a DUI, and now I actually file lawsuits against governmental entities for 1983 and violations of civil rights. So let's watch this body cam right here and let's break it down.
Jasper 639 tracker. Boy Zebra Boy 943. AZB 943. Hi there. How you doing, sir? Good, how are you? Good. My name's Officer Winters with the Newton Police Department. The reason I pulled you over is because you have your bright lights on.
Yeah, I have a headlight out, so I just keep my brights on.
Okay, well that's not legal.
Oh, it isn't?
No.
So he had his brights on, and he said because he had one of his headlights out, and so he wanted to put the brights on so he could see better. But that can be dangerous for other drivers because you can blind them. So that's the reason why he's pulling him over. And if that is a law in Iowa, then that's a valid reason to pull him over. There's nothing wrong with that right there.
Yeah, I turn when a car comes by, I turn them off. But like,
Well, you didn't with me.
oh, you weren't close enough though. You were a while back.
Has to be within 500 feet.
Oh, my bad. I'm sorry.
And you're not supposed to have your brights on in the city limits.
My fault.
You got your license, registration, insurance with you?
Yeah, I got you.
Is this your car?
Yeah,
Okay. Where are you headed?
back home.
Where's home?
It's right down.
Okay. Are you new to town or something?
No.
I just noticed you have Adair County plates.
Yeah, I got it from my grandpa.
Okay.
So apparently the officer said his eyes were bloodshot. So let's look at him. Let's pause it.
Is this your car?
Yeah,
Okay. Where are you headed?
back home.
Where's home?
It's right down.
Okay. Are you new to town or something?
No.
I just noticed
His eyes are not bloodshot at all. And so why officers put that a individual's eyes are bloodshot is because that's evidence of driving under the influence. And in this situation, his eyes are not bloodshot. At least in this instance, maybe they got bloodshot, but they aren't right now. And so if the officer did put that in his report, that is pretty wild.
have Adair County plates.
Yeah, I got it from my grandpa.
Okay.
He lives in Greenfield, Iowa.
Okay.
This is my first time getting pulled over, so as you can tell, I'm new to this. Winter said me struggling to find my insurance was probable cause. That is not necessarily a probable cause. I have reviewed hundreds of officer reports that show probable cause to pull someone over and to arrest them. And so I'm not sure what the probable cause was in this situation or what the end result was, but struggling to find insurance is not probable cause to search or arrest or anything like that. I've never seen that before.
Hold on 1 second.
Where are you coming from?
Friend's house.
Okay. Anything to drink over there?
So they asked these questions to kind of see what's going on, obviously to see if he had been drinking.
I didn't hear what you said.
It's one of these. You need one of these right here?
Yeah, I mean, that's a good start. That's the registration.
I just got a new one, so I don't know which one's the old one.
Okay.
Here, I'll just give you both of them.
Which is fine. Like, I've had probably 6 at a time in my car at once. So that's not a big deal.
Okay. I'll take this first one here. Got your insurance?
Yeah, I got you. Would it be that white card?
Could be. That's one that expired in 21.
I got the email version.
I can usually... they can usually look this information up too. So it's not that big of a deal if you're not carrying it. You should, and you can actually be ticketed for it, but they can usually look that information up.
Howdy.
All right, that'll work. I'm gonna have you hop out with me, okay?
Cool. Car on or off?
You could probably leave the car off.
I bet. I'm gonna roll my window up real quick.
All right.
So he does not look intoxicated at all so far, based on this video. And so, but let's see what happens in the meantime.
Do me a favor, put your gum on your dash there.
Put my gum on my dash?
Yeah.
I've never seen that.
Perfect. We're gonna go back here, okay?
Cool.
You don't have anything on you? No bombs, guns, drugs?
No bombs or no drugs.
Okay, let's go back here. I'm gonna have you have a seat in my passenger seat, okay?
Awesome.
Also, you might think, if he did have bombs, drugs, or guns in his car, why in the world would he say yes? It is amazing at what some people will tell you. I have seen numerous reports of people actually admitting to it with no probable cause to search their vehicle or anything. So officers ask it because people actually answer yes.
How you doing? Doing well yourself. Good.
Have a seat right on in there for me, okay? Close the door behind you. Where are you coming from?
Back by, his name is Creighton. It's a friend's house.
Okay. What are you doing at Creighton's house?
We were just hanging out. Had my girlfriend there.
I gotcha.
Just got back from college.
Okay.
Go to William Penn.
Okay. You play football up there?
Yes, sir.
What position do you play?
Wide receiver.
Okay.
I'm back for the weekend.
That's why you're home?
Yep.
I gotcha. Did you go to school here in Newton then?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yep. Played football here. Did you go here?
No.
You didn't?
No. How much have you had to drink tonight?
None.
He already said he
What do you
didn't.
mean none?
I've had nothing to drink.
Okay.
What do you mean none? So the officers asked this just to get them to elaborate on their answer.
Why would your eyes be watery and bloodshot? I just noticed you have Adair County.
So he actually edited this video. Apparently this is what bloodshot and watery eyes look like to this guy. Yeah, they're not bloodshot, they're not watery. I don't know why the officer's saying that.
Plates.
Yeah, I got it from my grandpa.
Okay.
Do you want to blow me real quick?
I don't want to blow you.
Pause.
We'll probably get there. How old
That's
are you?
funny. 19.
Uh-huh.
19.
Okay.
I've had nothing to drink.
Okay. So your movements in the car with you fumbling over the registration
Yep.
kind of say otherwise.
Alright.
And so does the odor of alcohol coming from your person.
Great, let's do a test and
We'll get to the test.
I can't wait. So what happens if, nothing pops up? Do you get in trouble?
No? Why would I get in trouble?
Because you think I'm drinking, but I'm not drinking.
I'm doing what I'm supposed to do.
Alright, let's find out real quick.
I'm not going to get in trouble for doing what I'm supposed to do.
Can I record it?
Yeah, absolutely.
What's your name?
My name's Officer Winters.
So Officer Winters thinks I'm drinking tonight. We're about to do a test and he's going to find out I had nothing to drink. He's going to look stupid. Ain't that right? I've had nothing to drink. 0. And we're about to find out.
Car's in Dad's name, but got it from Grandpa?
Yep.
Alright, so let's go up on the sidewalk here and I'll talk with you up there, okay?
Cool.
You have contacts in, you said?
Not right now.
Not right now?
Nope.
Did you take them out?
Sometimes that can affect if they do SFST, standard field sobriety tests. Sometimes contacts can affect the HGN test, horizontal nystagmus test. I always forget what that second word is, but that's what they're about to do, I guess, and having contacts in can affect that.
Them out?
Yes.
Okay. Are you supposed to have them in when you drive?
No.
Okay. Alright, so I'm going to actually have you stand right here is fine for now. I'm gonna.
Also, doing SFSTs in the rain can actually be more difficult, so that could be used as evidence for him.
I'm going to have you stand with your heels and toes together, with your arms down to your side. Okay. I'm going to check your eyes.
Cool.
Okay. What I want you to do is follow my finger with your eyes and your eyes only, and do not move your head. Okay.
Yep.
Do you have any questions?
Nope.
What color are your eyes?
Hazel.
Hazel. Do they ever change colors?
Nope.
Okay. Not that you know of. Okay. Can you see my finger clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Again, what the officer is looking for in this situation is he's going to follow his finger back and forth. He might go up and down as well. And your eye is supposed to move very smoothly from one side to the other, following the finger. And if it looks more like this instead of like this, looks like a windshield wiper on a dry windshield, that's what he's looking for as evidence of driving under the influence. So watch his eyes. They look like they're going pretty smooth. He's doing it for a while.
How many more we got?
This test is about 2 minutes long.
Got some big fingers. You play football?
I did.
What position?
D tackle and right tackle.
Here?
Nope.
Where at?
Knoxville.
Oh, we just beat Knoxville big time yesterday.
Yeah. Didn't when I played though.
What year were you?
2012.
You play college football?
Too many concussions.
You want me to start the point?
Yeah. Just fell on my finger.
Wish I could see his
Did you
eyes
ever go to
better.
college though?
I did. Are you comfortable in walking in the shoes you got on?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's
do it somewhere where there's a straight path. Like right here.
there's a straight path right here. It's not very flat.
Do it right here.
Which that
We're
can
gonna use
be.
this line right here.
Perfect.
Does that work?
Yep.
Okay.
I know the drill.
All right. So I want you to put your left foot on the line. Okay. Take your right foot, put it in front of your left foot with the heel of your right foot touching the toe of your left foot, just like this. Okay. Stay in this position until I tell you to begin. Okay.
Perfect.
You got any questions?
Nope.
Okay, so from this position, you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps, touching heel-to-toe each time, keeping your arms down to your side,
So it's called heel to toe.
okay?
Gotcha.
It's going to look something just like this. 1, 2, 3. You're going to go all the way up to 9, okay? When you get to your 9th step, leave your front foot on the line. Turn by taking a series of small steps. Turn and take 9 heel-to-toe steps
Wait,
back.
you want me to turn back around?
2, 3, just like I did. You're going to walk.
After 9 steps?
You're going to take a series of small steps and take 9 steps back, okay? During this, keep your arms down to your side. Watch your steps. Count your steps out loud, and once you've started walking, do not stop until you've completed the test, okay?
Perfect.
Any problems with your ankles, knees, hips, or back?
Just my right ankle.
What's wrong with your right ankle?
Messes up during football.
Okay.
So that can be a reason for not having the adequate balance. So what they're testing right now is your coordination and balance, and obviously injuries can affect your balance.
Does it prevent you from walking?
Just a little bit, but I'll be able to do this.
Okay. Does it hurt right now?
Nope.
Okay.
I have all my weight on my left foot right now.
All right. If you don't have any questions, you may begin.
Gotcha.
Offline.
Seems to be doing pretty
So you
well.
want to get to 9?
That's something they actually look for, is if you can count to 9. And so right here, he said, tell me when I get to 9, because he's focusing on just walking. He doesn't know that that's one of the tests, is knowing how many steps that, counting the steps while you're taking them. And that's something they look for.
I guess. So, how do I turn?
Take a series of small steps. Stops walking 13 steps. Be perfect.
So also, he's asking a question. It's not a big deal. He ran through those instructions in like 30 seconds. And so to remember all that, I'd probably ask questions to make sure I did it right.
Heel toe.
I haven't seen him go off that line. Even though it is uneven.
Come on, man, it's too easy. Let's do the breath now. You 2 for 2.
Well, sir, I don't believe you are 2 for 2. How many steps did I say to take?
Like 8 or 9?
I said 9. Why'd you take 14 and then 15?
I thought you were gonna tell me when to turn.
I said to count your steps out loud. So the next test is I want you to stand with your heels and toes together. Stand right here in this flat part.
It's like one of those brain teasers. Gotcha.
God, you a rookie, bro.
Okay. I want you to stand with your heels and toes together with your arms
Also, maybe don't say that. That could possibly piss him off.
down your side.
This is your first year?
No.
No way.
No.
No way.
When I say begin, I want
How
you
many false accusations you got?
0.
It's about to be your first.
We'll see. What I want you to do,
He knows it too. He knows I'm about to pass this shit.
what I want you to do when I say begin is raise either your left or your right foot, whichever one you want, and raise it approximately 6 inches off the ground and keep it parallel to the ground, okay?
Perfect.
It's going to look something just like this. Okay? During this, watch the tip of your toe, keep your arms down your side, and count out loud in the following manner.
Repeat the directions.
From
Yeah, he wants to actually hear him so
You
he
said
doesn't
6
mess him
seconds,
up.
hold it up.
Nope, you're going to hold your foot approximately 6 inches off the ground and keep it parallel to the ground.
Gotcha.
Do you have any questions?
Nope.
All right, during this, keep your arms down your side. Why are you shaking so much?
It's freezing, man. Look at you. You got all these clothes on, and I got shorts on, and it's raining. And you false accusing me, so of course I'm going to be a little nervous.
Good answer.
You got
Good
nothing
answer.
to say. Exactly.
Questions?
Look, you in pants. I'm in shorts, and it's raining now.
I wear shorts when it's 30 below.
Congratulations.
Questions about the test?
Nope.
Okay, if you don't have any questions, you may begin.
So this is the one leg stand. They're again testing balance. So because you're standing on one leg, we'll see how it does.
Keep your legs straight.
Is that 6 inches to you?
Yep. How did I tell you to count?
1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. I forgot how you told me, but you're doing pretty well.
So on the counting, they're also testing his knowledge and perception of time during this.
Just letting him switch. It's getting pretty cool now. It's ridiculous.
Okay, you can relax. I got one more test for you. I'm going to check your eyes again, okay?
Alright.
I'm going to go in a circular motion around the outside of your face, but I'm going to come in towards the bridge of your nose, but I'm not going to touch your nose.
And make sure. Blow me too, man. Give me a little blow.
I will.
Little zeros.
I will here in a minute. They're gonna tell me.
Who's supervisor? You're looking at him. Thank you. Rookie move.
Don't think so. So,
I do
just follow my finger with your eyes and your eyes only, and don't move your head, okay?
Gotcha. You want me to cross my eyes or what?
I want you to follow my finger all the way in.
I see it.
Okay. All right. Couple more tests here. Okay. I want you to stand with your heels and toes together with your arms down your side.
He just said one more test.
When I say begin, I want you to estimate the passing of 30 seconds. Close your eyes and tilt your head back, okay?
Estimate the pass in 30 seconds?
Yes, sir.
Can I count out loud?
If you want.
So, sorry, 310.
Any questions?
Nope.
Okay. During this, you're going to
3110.
have your eyes closed and your head tilted back, okay?
Oh,
Eyes closed and head tilted back.
Yes.
so watch this.
Okay. Go ahead. If you don't have any questions, you can close your eyes and tilt your head back, okay?
3123. 30 seconds. I have not seen this test done before. Must be new.
30.
What'd you count to?
30.
How'd you count there?
Just did in my head.
That was like
1, 2,
perfect.
3, 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi.
That was like perfect. If you watch this right here, the time, that was perfect.
1 Mississippi in my head.
Okay.
That's
All right,
impressive.
one more test here.
Wait, hold up. Am I able to get this video? Once it, what?
If you want us to peanut it.
So would it be easy to do that?
You can usually get it through open records request too. So he's lying right there.
All right.
Unless that's the law there. I mean, I don't, not the law here.
I want you to stand just like you are, make a fist, rotate your hands facing me, and extend both index fingers.
I would record it, but like my phone's at 1%.
Heel. Okay, rotate your palms, just like that. I'm going to give you a series of commands. Okay, the command's going to be either left or right. Okay, whichever hand I say, I want you to bring that hand up, touch the tip of your nose with the tip of your finger, and bring your hand immediately back down. Okay? Questions?
So you do get it's my left and my right, not your left and not your right.
Yes.
All right.
And when I mean the tip, I mean right underneath your nail bed. Okay? Not your pad, not your knuckle.
Oh, I know all about tips.
Okay? Any questions?
Nope.
All right, go ahead.
I have not seen this test done either.
The trick is you're going to have your eyes closed and your head tilted back, okay? You got any questions?
No.
All right, go ahead and tilt your head back farther. Okay. Left. Right. Left. Right. Right. Left. Okay, left. Are we at the
blow.
15
Let's blow real
minutes yet?
quick. Stop doing all these damn tests. Let's blow. Let's get to business.
If the officer really wanted to, he could have asked him to blow at the beginning, and now, if he was drinking, it could have gone away, the content. And so, really, over passage of time, he could blow nothing because he waited to blow.
Fucking up my permit, man.
So this is actually helping him.
Got this shit done. I used to love Newton cops. I used to love them. Never give me no problems till now. My beams were on because I have a taillight out, not my taillight. One of the bulbs up front is
Copy.
out. That's why I pulled them up.
Okay.
I didn't know it was illegal.
Let's go to the front of the car here.
Let's do this blow. 0-0. Ready for it?
0-0.
If it's possible to get negative, that's what I hear.
Also, body cams are usually pretty fun to watch because you never know what's going to happen.
Why do you assume? Because you're showing some very strong signs of impairment.
Am I?
You're a little bit on the theory side of the paperwork. You're not consistent. You're not smooth.
I mean, I was kind of nervous.
That's a telltale sign.
This will show you on here.
All right, what I want you to do is make a tight seal around this and blow outwards like you're blowing.
The other officer just said that nervousness is a telltale sign. It's a sign that he's driving under the influence, which it can be, but not necessarily.
Blowing up a balloon, okay?
Cool.
All right.
You ready?
Yep.
The moment of truth.
Okay, you can relax. So I'm going to read you Miranda, okay? Right now you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law.
0-0.
You have the right.
Boom. Did you see it? 0-0. Oh, man.
The right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the
0-0. I don't know if you can see it. It says 0-0.
right to an attorney if you cannot afford one. One will be appointed to you before any question, okay?
Yes, sir.
And he's already reading his Miranda rights. So that means that he is arresting him.
Last time we smoked weed?
I do not remember that.
Tonight?
Oh,
Okay, well I
weed
I
tonight,
think it's
man.
tonight.
I've had no weed tonight.
So because he blew 0-0, that only really tests for alcohol. And so now he believes that he's been smoking weed.
Jasper 630 down on PVT.
What? Why do you think it's tonight? Why do you think I smoke? I blew 0, so now you're trying to think I smoke weed.
Boom, he got it. Oh my gosh, this guy's pretty fast. And he still thinks he's under the influence.
What's going on? You can't do that, man. You really can't do
Absolutely I can.
that. Is he allowed to do that?
Yes, he is.
So I blow 0 and you suspect drugs, man. That's what we on?
Which that can be the case, but in this situation, the officer said he's made very obvious mistakes, like saying that his eyes were bloodshot and watery. They weren't. So I don't know what's up with this officer. I would love to see if he has a history of falsely arresting individuals.
I blew 0, so you think I'm on drugs. That's ridiculous.
I would during my field sobriety it is indicative of impairment. So let's be honest.
I'm being honest.
You smoked some weed at your friend's house?
No.
You hit a pin?
Nope.
Okay, otherwise.
So he already said he's under arrest, and he read his Miranda rights, so he can question him. And now this individual, I think his name is Tayvin. He can say, sorry, I don't want to answer any more questions, but he's got nothing to hide, so he's still answering questions.
All right. And so does the odor
Yep.
of alcohol coming from your
So he brings back the video to this instance where the officer actually accuses him of smelling like alcohol. And again, he said he wasn't drinking. And then he blew 0-0. So then he's saying it's weed.
Person.
Great, let's do it.
Okay. Why is your field sobriety so poor?
What?
Why is your field sobriety so poor? And why are you so lethargic and slow moving and speaking with a slurred speech? And your eyes are watery and your eyes are bloodshot.
I have not seen any of that.
No, they're watery? Probably because we're in rain right now, dumbass.
Okay, note to self, don't call an officer dumbass. No matter what, just don't do it. But an officer is kind of being a jackwagon. I mean, it is raining, so that's a really funny answer.
It doesn't affect them in the car or in my car.
Well, I don't know what you're seeing because I can't even see my eyes. No weed. I don't smoke weed. I play college football. I told you that. We get tested every Friday.
And so that can actually be evidence. So what I would do if I was him is right after he gets arrested and gets out of jail, I'd go get a test for weed, blood test, hair test, whatever, to show that he was not smoking weed. And you can actually use that as evidence at trial.
Okay.
Don't smoke weed.
Today's Saturday.
Okay? It's 30 we say it's on your shit for 30 days. So if I did a test next week, I'd be off the football team.
He knows it.
Come on. Come on. I want that video too.
Okay, but I think you're impaired. I think you're under the influence.
You think
of
I'm
something.
impaired?
Yes.
Well, I'm not.
Okay. Do you want to talk to another officer?
Hell yeah, get him over here.
Okay. Do you want to do a drug recognition evaluation or a drug influence evaluation?
What's that?
There's an officer who checks your blood pressure, does a whole bunch of tests.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay.
So he's doing whatever he can to show that he hasn't been drinking, he hasn't been smoking. He's doing everything that the officer asked him to do, even more.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Stay in the rain.
I don't have to.
You don't stay in the rain.
Can I call my parents or something? Can I call my mom? Can I call my mom? Can I get in the car and do it? Alright, let's play. He said, I blew zeros and now he's accusing me of being on drugs right now. What's his name?
Can you hear me? So here's my situation. I stopped this guy for having his brights on. I got 6 with me too. I stopped this guy for having his brights on. He bombed sobriety. LOC is present. Finger to nose is bad. Modified Romberg was 38. I asked him. I said, I read him Miranda. PBT 000. So he says he'll do an evaluation, but he's kind of a smart ass. Would you want to talk to him or? All right, that's what we'll do then. Okay, but I obviously have enough to charge him with the sobriety, so. I'll ask him and I'll let you know. Just start heading to the PD and I'll let you know. How do you pronounce your name? Tayvin?
Tayvin Galakinisis.
Okay. So, I spoke with the drug recognition expert, and he said that he's willing to do a drug influence evaluation on you. We would have to go up to the PD.
Right now?
Yep.
I don't want to do that right now.
You don't want to do it right now? Why not?
Because you had me out in this damn rain.
We would go to the PD where it's
Well, I
dry.
don't want to do that. I don't want to do that now. I want to go home. You wasted my time.
Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
So he didn't even know he was arrested yet.
Right now you're being placed under arrest for operating while intoxicated, okay?
I'm not intoxicated. Sir, I'm not intoxicated. I blew zero.
You can be under the influence of a narcotic.
My phone?
Wow.
Nothing else on you?
It's my inhaler, man.
I see that.
Drugs.
Okay. Let's go back here. Have a seat in there.
You wait till my mom comes though?
Nope, you're over 18.
Man, that is crazy. He really did not have evidence that he was driving under the influence. Now, you can also get arrested for driving while impaired, but that usually has signs of weaving over the lines and everything. And there was no evidence of driving under the influence. So now Tayvin Galakinisis, I think that's how you say his name, Tayvin Galakinisis, yep, has filed a 1983 civil rights lawsuit alleging that it was a false arrest. And 1983 claims are difficult. He has to there's numerous ways he can sue this governmental entity, and it varies from civil court of appeals to civil court of appeals. So each circuit kind of has different interpretations of the law, but for the most part, there are only a few ways to be able to overcome and proceed on a civil rights lawsuit, especially on false arrest. So in this situation, he would have to show either that the municipality, the police department knew that this officer had been falsely arresting others before, that he has to show that there's a policy that encourages people to be falsely arrested or something like that, or that a supervisor ratified it. And in this situation, if that is the head of the police department and he ratified it, that could be a way to prevail on a 1983 civil rights action. So this has been blowing up in the last month, or last couple of days, I think. But it's wild. There's no evidence of driving under the influence, and I think this case was actually dismissed. So crazy situation. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, I think you'll really enjoy this next one right here.